What are we going to study today? Imbibition, diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. We're going to learn about the processes in detail. Let's start with imbibition. It is a tendency of a cell to absorb water present near its surrounding. Okay, a simple experiment. Take a dry chana, put water to the container, dry chana. Okay, water to the container containing dry chana, and you will find that chana will absorb the water present in the surrounding and it will swell. That is imbibition. Next, now diffusion. So a simple experiment: take a container, put a drop of ink in the water. Okay, take put a drop of ink in the water. So what will happen? The ink will start spreading. Okay, and it changes to blue. So over here the concentration of ink is higher than that of water. That is why it has turned the water to blue. So what is that definition? Let us learn the definition now. It is a movement of molecules from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration, that is water. Now let us understand osmosis. Osmo means water. It is a movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. A simple experiment again: raisins and a bowl of water, and you soak it for 1 hour. The raisins will swell, and water, as you know, the water is more outside. Water starts moving from higher concentration outside to the raisins inside through the wall of raisins, acting as a semi-permeable membrane. So raisin over here has act as a cell membrane, and the water tends to get inside from higher to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Next, now we need to know a little bit of tonicity. Okay, this comes under osmosis. Simple. There are three types: isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic. Now let us understand isotonic. Iso means same. You means same concentration inside as well as outside. So isotonic means neutral. Next, hypotonic means dilute solution. Hypo means less. Less solute, water tends to move in. Okay, so water tends to move in. Next one, hypertonic means concentrated solution. We have done all this in chemistry, I hope. Dilute solution, concentration solution. So I don't think so there is any explanation required. Hyper means more of solute, and more water tends to move out. More of solute and more water tends to move out. All right, that is all about tonicity. Two types of osmosis are there. One is endosmosis. Endo means inward, osmo means push. Okay, inward push. All right, so inward diffusion of water through semi-permeable membrane. And exosmosis. Exo means outward, is the outward diffusion of water through a semi-permeable membrane. Outward movement, one is inward movement and one is outward. So let us understand next, last topic for today will be, let us understand passive transport. So what is passive transport? So a simple diagram has been mentioned over here. So in this, so it's a natural process where movement of molecules from higher to lower. So look at this, the movement of water. I'm pointing an arrow, movement of molecules from higher to lower. That is passive transport. Next, now active transport. Active transport is a little bit different. It is a process of passage of substance from a lower to higher concentration using energy ATP through a living cell membrane. So just the opposite. All the topics that we have done, the water tends to move from high to low, except for this active transport. The water tends to move from low to high concentration, but it uses energy ATP through a living cell membrane.